It is December 10th. We are in the middle of a 25-year blizzard, and there are chupacabras coming through the woods. I will zoom in on the chupacabras. Oh my goodness! Look at them! The terrible chupacabras are coming through the woods.
I think we might have a white Christmas.
I think we might. The basement door is open. Go straight to the basement.
Okay.
We're videotaping you so that you can remember how much fun snowshoeing is. It looks like a great time. Hey, Dad, can I borrow that coat?
Where's your door?
There, to the left.
You'll never get in the door.
They're never gonna get in.
No.
Go.
Go.
We gotta set these things down.
I don't know where to go.
All right, I'm coming down.
This corner. Keep going.